Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about why your Cox modem is blinking blue and how you can fix it. Let's get started. Your Cox modem is blinking blue because it is in WPS mode. WPS mode lets you connect to your modem without choosing a Wi-Fi password. It's activated when you press the WPS button on your device. Once activated, your device will blink blue until you successfully connect your device to the network. Therefore, to fix this issue, connect a device to the modem and the light will turn a solid white. Another reason is that your modem has a connection issue. If you recently switched ISPs, your Cox modem might blink blue because it's looking for the correct signal. Waiting it out is your best bet since the blinking will stop once your modem finds a stable connection. If the problem persists, contact your ISP to find out if there's an outage in your area. Finally, there may be a hardware issue if there are no connection issues, but the blinking continues. Your modem may have internal hardware issues. Such problems affect upstream and downstream channeling and may require further troubleshooting. You may need a technician's help to troubleshoot and fix hardware issues. Thanks for watching. Till next time.